In this video, we're going to explore how EcoStruxure Automation Expert can improve operations. The first important lever to increase the operational effectiveness is the capability to easily troubleshoot the system, especially for maintenance operators in the field, without having to immediately use the engineering build time. In a system developed with EcoStruxure Automation Expert, it is possible to engineer control hardware supervision on top of process supervision for the same HMI type of target. So when a default appears, the related assets appear highlighted in the HMI, and from there you can easily identify related alarms and find the root cause hardware. Up to communication traffic can be monitored in the HMI application. In addition, the use of the engineering build time will enable troubleshooting together with using the topology management tool to leverage the situational awareness standard. The second important lever to improve operational effectiveness is with the edge computing capabilities of EcoStruxure Automation Expert. In this example, we show the control application of a simple logistics process being distributed among several nodes, some of them being soft DPAC, meaning soft PLC on edge computing hardware. In addition to the pure automation application, we can also embed dedicated analytics in the same EcoStruxure Automation Expert application. These dashboards can be as complex or simple as you need and leverage the HMI visualization facets to build up real-time dashboards like improving quality or monitoring OEE. EcoStruxure Automation Expert's edge computing for real-time calculation close to the field can make the process data actionable for real-time operation enhancements. Want to learn more? Search EcoStruxure Automation Expert today.